Alhamdulillah Azza wa Jal, we tried to learn about the aqaid and beliefs about Almighty Allah Azza wa Jal, about His oneness, about His sifat, attributes, as well as we also tried to learn about taqdeer, different lessons about belief and aqaid, as well as we also tried to learn about the masail of wuzu as well as ghusl. For fard salah, qiyam is fard. For wajib salah, qiyam is fard. It means that person must have to perform qiyam while standing. He is unable to perform qiyam while standing. Now Sharia gives him exemption to perform qiyam while sitting. Sharia does not allow everybody to perform the specific salah while sitting. So remember, if a person is in severe pain and pain is unbearable for him, if he is ill and he has such type of illness and sickness that if he will perform qiyam, his situation will get worse and this sickness will prolong due to performing qiyam while standing. Now Sharia gives him exemption. So if I have only headache and I could stand and I perform salah while sitting, now my salah will not start at all.
मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है इंशाअल्लाह।